In this video, I will discuss an all-in-one indicator designed for highly accurate trend following entries. I will introduce the indicator, explain its key components, and explore its functionalities. Additionally, I will dive into the entry and exit conditions for a straightforward yet profitable strategy. So without any further delay, let's dive in. This indicator is named all-in-one indicator to incorporate it into your chart. Navigate to TradingView, the charting platform I will be using. If you are not already signed up, you can find the link in the video description. Afterward, click on Indicators, type in All Indicators in one and select the one created by TAC88. Once added to your chart, this is how it will appear. The name All Indicators in One reflects its inclusion of 8 highly useful and renowned indicators available on TradingView. These comprises of RSI, SMA, stochastic oscillator, stochastic RSI, MACD, ADX, MFI and VWAP. You can observe that all these indicators are presented in this table. The table provides the indicator named along with their status, comprising numerical values and indications of bullish or bearish trends. We will delve into the meanings of these shortly, but for now let's continue exploring the components of these indicators. The visual elements include several red horizontal lines, blue line, and multiple green lines. The red line signifies resistance levels, each line indicating a distinct level. The green line represents a support level, while the blue line is the center, signifies the midpoint between the first resistance level and additionally there is an EMA Trend Cloud, where a green cloud signifies a bullish trend and a red cloud indicates a bearish trend. The table displayed here is referred to as the dashboard. As evident when it comes to setting, you might be wondering what elements of this indicator can we modify. Let's explore that. Starting with the dashboard settings, you have the flexibility to change its position to any of these options, and you can also adjust its size according to your preferences. Next, there are BTC and DXY filters intended for monitoring the trend of the BTC chart and the DXY chart. Additionally, you have the flexibility to choose your preferred time frame, which can be adjusted here. In my case, I will be using the chart frame by selecting the chart, allowing it to automatically adjust to any time frame. Maintaining the filter length at 25, we move on to the support and resistance settings. Here you have the ability to adjust the support color, resistance color, line width, and the color of the text. These settings are specific to the indicators. For the RSI, you can modify the RSI length and data sources. Referring to the table, there are 4 different time frames for the ATR. If adjustments to any of these time frames are desired, you can do so right there. You can select the signal line to be utilized by the RSI. By default, we will stick with the SMA and its length will be set at 10. Moving on the MA setting, these are the configurations for the simple moving average listed in the table. Similar to the RSI, there are 5 different SMAs, each with a distinct length 5, 10, 20 and 50. If you wish to use a different combinations, that is the area where you can make those adjustments. Then these are the stochastic settings, the MACD setting, the ADX setting and MFI setting and the STC setting. Here you can change the colors of this EMA Trend Cloud. The Style tab allows you to disable or enable the bar colors. We are going to disable this because we do not need it. We are also going to disable these two shades options. Once we have made these adjustments, click OK. Moving forward, our exploration will focus on utilizing this indicator, particularly highlighting the support and resistance levels and the dashboard to make informed decisions when taking both long and short positions. The RSI gauges the magnitude of recent price changes to assess overbought and oversold conditions in the market. The multi-time frame features enables simultaneously viewing of RSI values over different time frames. And a green colored RSI cell suggests an uptrend, indicating that the RSI value is above its moving average. Conversely, a red RSI cell, as seen here, signifies a downtrending market, indicating that the RSI line is below its moving average. Moving on, when the SMA or simple moving averages, these are averages of assets price over a specific period of time used to identify the direction of the trend. When the price is above a specific SMA, it signifies an uptrend and the corresponding SMA cell will be colored green as demonstrated here. Conversely, if the price is below a specific SMA, it indicates a downtrend and the cell for that particular SMA will be colored red. Now we examine the stochastic oscillator, a momentum indicator signaling an uptrend when the K line crosses the D line below 90, depicted by a green cell. The MACD revealing an uptrend when its line is above the signal line and midpoint, results in a green cell with text for a bullish trend and vice versa for the bearish crossover. The ADX indicating a strong uptrend when its value surpasses 20 with a positive directional indicator exceeding the negative one is depicted by a green cell. Lastly, the MFI tracking money flow suggests overbought conditions above 75, oversold conditions below 20, and bearish or bullish ranges between 20 to 50 and 50 to 75 respectively. Considering all this information, to initiate a long trade using this indicator, it's imperative that all the indicators statuses on the dashboard indicates a bullish market. Conversely, for the short position, all these indicators should suggest a bearish market. It's a straightforward approach to trading based on the comprehensive analysis of these indicators. Let's now review all the conditions for initializing a long position. Firstly, for a long position, the EMA Trend Cloud must be colored green and the price should be trading above it, indicating a bullish trend. Let's now review all the conditions for initializing a long position. First, for a long position, the EMA Trend Cloud must be colored green and the price should be trading above it, indicating a bullish trend. Secondly, we require the price to break and close above any of these lines in the specific trade example mentioned. The price successfully broke and closed above support level 1, thereby meeting the criteria for condition number 2. Closing the price above the key market level enhances the likelihood of price continuing in the same direction. Now, moving on to the condition number 3, which holds signifies importance. When the price breaks and closes above a key market level, all indicators on the dashboard should confirm a bullish trend. To verify this, ensure that all of these cells are colored green, with the exception of the MFI. Interestingly, the MFI cell consistently appears gray even with indications of the bullish range. Focus on confirming that all other cells are green and the MFI cell states bullish range. We won't be focusing on the cells below. All of the entries conditions are satisfied with this candle. Therefore, we proceed to enter a long position, setting a take profit at the next level above our entry. We establish a stop loss by dragging it down until we achieve a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, targeting the very next level key. It's crucial to set a take profit to guard against potential reversal after the price bounces off that level. We allow this trade to run and eventually reach its take profit. Explore this incredible tool by checking it out on TradingView. Let's wrap up our discussion for this video. If you found this content helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.